Good morning and welcome to week 4 of Online Finite. So from our home page, if we go to the syllabus, we can scroll down to week 4, see what's coming up. So here we are. This is everything that was just due. So the homework 3, 4, and the quiz and the module. So for the next week, due Sunday, February 11th, not quite as much. You just have a homework 5 and a quiz 5.3. At this point, you'll notice that the midterm's coming up here. Or March 4th is the final date for that midterm, so you have the week leading up to it. A couple weeks out is a good time to go ahead and schedule that. Okay, so either schedule that with an Ivy Tech Testing Center or schedule that through ProctorU. So for this week, just one homework, one quiz, no discussion, so nothing to worry about there. Just get those done by Sunday, February 11th.